Yeah, good morning. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Friday, the 24th of April, 2020. It's 5:07 a.m. local here in Vietnam. It's just a look at my 12-hour high probability charts and what I've done in the last hour or so. The new candle was at 4 a.m., which is about 1 hour and 7 minutes ago. However, I just had to wait for the spreads to come in on the CAD yens before I could post this video. So we'll have a look what I've done so far this morning. This is my watch list as usual on the right. All the pairs I'm trading on the 12-hour high probability. If they're highlighted in blue, means I've got current trades on. No highlight, no trades. And in orange, they're ones I'm going to discuss in this video this morning. So let's have a look. We'll start with the Aussie USD. This is my high probability template. It's the same for everything, all my trading. Sells are designated by red vertical lines and solid red horizontal lines. Buys are blue vertical and the solid blue. If you see green, it's normally a number. It interests me. In this case, on the Aussie USD, it's at 60 cent level. So that's just why that's there. You see yellow, that is break-even levels. You see red trend lines, they represent they represent bearish divergence. You see green trend lines, bullish divergence. So this is green and red dots on price. So a QMP filter, all they are is a visual aid, a combination between this bottom indicator, which is the MACD Platinum, a zero lag MACD, and there's another indicator you can't see called the QQE Advanced. So these dots up here are just a combination of the dots on this and the cross on the QQE. I don't need the QQE displayed. I just need to have these dots on the charts. The MACD Platinum, zero lag, looking for buys when it's below the zero level, which is this grey dotted line, and I look for sells when it's above the zero level. That's it in a nutshell. So we'll have a look at what we've done this morning. Basically got a buy signal here this morning. The MACD Platinum's below the zero level. It's not a great position, but it's below, and we've got hidden bullish divergence here. So you can see on price going up, MACD Platinum going down on the lows. So it's hidden bullish divergence. So I've taken one new buy, which is the start of sequence 2. I should have marked these sequences. So that's this trade here. That's it's on its lonesome. This second trade, I took 2 trades on the same candle. The other trade was a hedge buy at the same price. As you can see on my notes, all my notes are generally from left to right, top to bottom. You can pause the video and read them. So I took a second hedge buy on that. So this sequence, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 trades, which is this up here, overall break even is not applicable because it's fully hedged, locking in a loss on that one. And I'll start a new sequence this morning. And overall, my break even for all trades, every single trade, is this yellow dashed line at 66,166. You can see I'm net plus 0.02, so price has to get above that for me to be overall profitable. So it's only early days there, but that's the Aussie USD. CAD yen, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Took a second buy this morning, had a buy signal here this morning. MACD Platinum's below the zero level. Now, you can see I've marked this one sequence 1 to start here. So buy, sell, buy. So it's this one here. Buy, hedge, sell, second buy. That's what I took this morning. Now, I'm already in a sell from back here, and that's got a stop loss in place, which is that red dotted line. It's a little bit hard to see. It's getting a little bit tight. Hang on, let's see one. It's all a bit tight. There's a red dotted line in there. This sell. So, yeah, just a matter of waiting. Now, the overall break-even levels for these, there's 2 levels. There's one for overall, which is 76771, which is the first one, the bottom one. And the next one up is for this break-even at 76862, which is just for this sequence in here. Ideally, I just want to push right up through both of them. Then I can start managing my trades. If you see blue trend lines, it's just something that caught my eye. In this case, might be double, triple top, support level, resistance level, that sort of thing, or even trend lines across highs or something like that. So that's the CAD yen looking all right. Euro USD. What happened here? Yeah, I took a sell up here, in here. It's sort of meandered sideways for a few days and had this nice drop yesterday. It's at a support sort of level. The MACD Platinum is now through the zero level, so it means I'm looking for buys. Sort of stalled a bit last night, so all I've done is close half for a huge profit of $8.87, and I put a stop in place now just above this little spike up here, so you can read my notes. The profit's being added to the profit to date, so that's just close half, protecting my trade. Can't if it turns around and goes up through my stop and takes me out, even though I lose on the second part, overall it'll be a winner, albeit a very small one. And finally, USDCAD. Now, I was in a buy here, went up, I closed half, I believe, and I put a stop in place. This stop was taken out last night, so my remaining buy has been stopped out. I just leave the lines on the charts to show you where the stop was and where the trade was. So that's all done, so I can get rid of that now. And with that, I'm at a whopping total on the second half of $3.57, which has now been added to my total. Well, that's the whole trade because I've only just started trading this pair, so the whole trade was $12.07. Woohoo! But Canadian dollar, not my fair. So now this morning, I took a sell. Now this is a high risk sell. A couple of reasons. One, look at the trend. These MAs, that's a 50 EMA, 100 EMA, 240 LMA. They're spreading and heading up slowly, so it's an uptrend. Price is right on them, right, just about right on the 50 EMA. So I'm trading into that. I'm trading into an uptrend, high risk trade. The only thing I like about it is, well, two things I like about it. One is this hidden alarm. That's 2 days in a row. One that's a hidden bearish divergence. So we've got lower highs on price and higher highs on the MACD Platinum on the top side. So that's one thing I like. A second thing I like is the structure. Like we see after this coronavirus move up, pull back, we've had an uptrend, but it hasn't broken this high. Pull back, got a lower low. Now we've got another uptrend and it hasn't broken this high. It's close, but it hasn't. So it tells me the trend's changing, or there's a chance the trend's changing. So that's what I like. So I've taken a sell this morning. As I said, it's a high risk trade. The MACD Platinum is above the zero level. Not an ideal setup, but it's worth a shot. All right, that's it for the trading, guys. All these trades are recorded on a shared spreadsheet, which has been updated as I speak. Well, the actual spreadsheet, I should say, the format of the spreadsheet's been updated. I've updated the sheet already for all these trades, so they're good to go. You'll find the link to the description, the link to that spreadsheet in the description of the video. It's a Google Drive shared sheet. Other than that, that's it. All good. So one more probably video this afternoon at 4 p.m. on the Friday, and that's it for the weekend. So thanks for watching the video. If you do like them, please hit the subscribe button. If nothing else, hit the like button. And if you've got any questions or anything, feel free to ask. Go to my website, www.JAGfx.com. There's a contact form there, or you can email me at admin@JAGfx.com. All right, have a good day all. Cheers.